Hello and welcome to this video on making your maple tree cuttings into a bonsai. Propagating cuttings from a bonsai in spring is one of the easiest ways to get more trees and material to create bonsai. This of course can be a self-perpetuating or would that be self-propagating problem if taken to an extreme, but that seems like a fortuitous problem, not a negative problem. As you can see, the cuttings have grown well since they were taken and planted. Both the more basic and regularly appearing green-leafed maple, but also the slightly more interesting purple-leafed maple. We have several types of trunks that have succeeded. Some are simple straight trunks. There's a single trunk that goes almost directly up. Some are more serpentine or sinuous. Then we have some again that look like a series of forks or a decision tree, which is perhaps the most appropriate kind of growth for a tree. This also tells you what we are going to be doing from the start. There is no reason to go against nature, so to say. With 3 distinct styles already predisposed, we'll go with that rather than fight the tree to do something different. All of that means we will mostly show rather than tell with the styling of these, and you can see timestamps for each on the screen now. There will be some formal uprights, informal uprights, and something close to a broom. We started with repotting each pot with new, fresh soil. We then pruned the branches away to the appropriate place and number for each style. We will then follow up with wiring. As you can see, styling these maple trees was rather straightforward. They're not ready for display or anything yet, they look good for a starter bonsai. In fact, given time, they might well grow and develop into something quite interesting. Just not today, and certainly not now. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it interesting, consider liking, sharing, and subscribing. And please do post any comments, questions, or suggestions that you have below.